Then you help her.
Yeah.
Mama, it's lekker.
It's lekker.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mama. What's up? So on today's video, my kids are baking today. They gave them homework in the kindergarten to bake cookies. Yes, so that is what we are about to film right now. Hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Yes, and please watch this video to the end. And if you are my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. Your girl is your girl Mama. What's up? Yeah, I live in Germany. I do cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos and more. And if you have any video suggestion, please don't forget to drop it at the comment section down below. And my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much for always coming by, for always supporting me. I appreciate. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. Yes guys, they are going to wash their hands. Yes, my kids are washing their. So here is our recipe from the kindergarten, and we are going to bake this. Yes, so they are ready to bake now. I will just be supervising them on what to do. 300 grams should be in this place. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Sophia, look. Mercy, see where I'm pointing.
Here.
Mercy will put flour inside, and the flour is here. This is the flour. So the 300 grams should be on this place. So Mercy will pour in, and Sophia, you'll be telling her until it's here. Mercy, you have to take notes just here. Yeah. So let's start it. Let's get started.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 300 grams of flour. So we are going to pour it. Yes, bring the bowl. So remove everything inside the bowl. Put it this side. Don't let it fall down. So pour in the bowl. Pour it in.
I know how to play it. So
Be careful, slowly. You people should not fight. Good. Genau. So put it down. Mercy, take this baking powder.
Put it in a teaspoon.
Spoon. Measure 1 spoon. If you can stand on the chair, you stand on the chair to sit properly. Pour 1 spoon. That spoon, full it. You have to full it. 1 spoon. So wait, let Sophia put it. Sophia, now pour it inside the flour. Okay. So you have to pour this one too. Pour everything there. So now, Miss Sophia,
Sophia, no, not with that one. See that one. Hey.
You guys should be careful.
Give her. You cannot. So
you people should be doing it one after the other.
When you finish, then you go do the next one. When one do one go do one. That is how you go do one. So small, eh?
Okay. Mix very well. Pepper to mix very well. Lansam, okay, it's okay. Then the next thing, step this aside, put it the other side. Now, so it's time to put sugar.
Plenty.
All the sugar,
Nine,
pour
not
it there.
plenty.
9. All the sugar, I've measured it.
So,
They said we need, the recept is 100 grams of sugar, but we are using 56. I don't want to put plenty sugar. So pour all the whole sugar. I show you.
It's ready for.
So be pouring the sugar inside. Put the sugar, put the sugar.
this will be too much.
9, I've measured it. So pour. Be careful, Sophia, so that you don't throw it.
So make the watcher there, please.
So pour all the sugar. Guys, this sugar is 8 grams. So we are using 7 pieces. It's vanilla sugar. We are using 7 pieces. Normally, it's supposed to be 100 grams of sugar, but we are using 7 pieces. We don't want too much sugar, so we are using
This times what?
8 grams times 7 pieces.
So,
I think that is 56 or so. So it's not even up to 100 grams. Have you finished with the sugar?
Yeah.
So it's time to mix. One person should mix. After the other person will mix.
Okay. Because
Look at what you are doing and be careful. Mix it well now. Are you afraid of mixing?
no, I am not. It's
Genau.
so lecker.
Sophia, wait. Let's have be putting it. You can be mixing small. Sophia, mix. We are adding 200 grams of butter inside. If it's not removing, you use this thing. Mercy. Mercy, you. Oh. Be careful.
Sorry, Messi.
Be careful, let it not pour. Okay, so it's time now to put egg. We are going to use 1 egg, 1 large egg, break and put inside. Okay, I pour it on the inside the bowl. Pour it very well. Pour everything. It's okay. So keep it. So now you mix. Be careful so that you don't pour it on the ground. Sophia, 9. You mix. Don't scatter it. So mix. So Mercy mix. Sophia, hold the bowl.
Too tight.
Pour milk. Pour small. It's okay.
Okay, so put small milk. So small.
Sophia, put small milk.
So put now.
Pour small.
Put. Okay.
It's okay.
So
So
you
Mercy
put-
turn.
Now you close it. Good girl. Skin this down.
Mercy, be careful.
So see?
Penny. Sorry.
You people should take spoon and scrape out this thing.
No, I want to.
Scrape it out, yeah, from the spoon.
No. It's only one spoon you have there.
No,
Leave
Sophia,
it.
use your right hand. Scrape it out. Please, can you help us with foil paper? They have to cover it and put in the fridge.
But this game, when they.
You are going to cover it. Then after then, we'll clear the table. You leave it for 30 minutes. Then we'll clear the table. Oh yeah, cover it now. So we are going to put it in the fridge now. So carry it. Carry the milk. Let's go. So now we have to put it in the fridge. Yes, guys. She's washing her hand to bring it out from the fridge. So go. So remove it from the
Sophia, leave it.
bottle. Be careful, don't let it fall down.
Sophia, leave it. I want to do it. I know how to do it.
So keep it aside. So sprinkle it,
So now
spray
you
it
rub it here.
on
Small,
the
small, small,
microwave.
Rub on it.
Rub
So
it.
it's good. So it's okay.
Cut, it's too small, just cut. Sophia, cut.
Cut more.
Messi have cut. Yes.
So be doing it. Use your 2 hands. This thing is too long. Wait.
So when you finish,
So take this.
You do your own.
first. So you make it flat, well, eh? Yeah.
if it's holding on that place,
Yeah, so.
good.
Good.
You don't let it.
Then you turn it.
So do it. Don't do it too flat. So it's okay. So press it, press it, press it, press it down. Press it down. Make sure you cut it with that thing. Press it down. So use one hand to remove the other side. Good. Good. Yes. So
Now my hands very thick.
yes. So you put it here. It's okay. Wow. Oh yeah, use it and cut. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Sophia have done her own. Wow. You didn't cut it here? Yes. So we do next step. So sprinkle. So spread it, Sophia.
Remove your own. Sophia,
9.
remove your-
Spread it. So you have to press now.
Yeah.
Leave her. It's okay. It's hard. Good. Do it like 9. Do it like this. Press it hard. Good girl. So remove it. Remove that one. Move it. Good girl. Yes, that's my baby. So Messi, your turn.
You don't do that for kindergarten.
So yes, it's okay. You don't have to make it too flat. So cut. My dear, wait. Do it well. Sophia, do you see how Messi is doing her own? That's how you do it stronger. It's enough. So remove it.
Enough.
So good. Yes.
Remove it. Now again.
So continue, both of you. So
So see your 2 big eyes.
so guys, we'll finish designing our cookies. As you can see how yummy and delicious it's looking.
And then she
Their
gets-
daddy is baking eye for
And then she's
Messi eye.
I said the big mouth.
And Messi is baking her daddy. He's designing her daddy. So that is it, guys. So that is it.
Oh, that is that I'll make you now so
So-
big.
So
So Papa's looking. So
see the 2 big eyes of Mercy here.
So guys, you can see the one of Messi.
So see Mercy there. With a big 2 big eyes. So see, when I finish them, now you go chop your eyes here. You will eat it.
Make your daddy big stomach own. Do your daddy big stomach.
Do it now.
Do it. Do
Make
big.
I see how you can do it.
Do
Don't
big.
do it.
So guys, now the cookies is about to enter inside the oven, or is inside the oven. Yeah, we've preheated our oven, so they make their papa and Sophie. So we have to wait until he's ready. Wait until when he's ready, you will see your stomach.
Come near.
With our cookies, as you can see how yummy and delicious is looking. Yeah, so that is the finishing part of it. Hope you enjoy watching. This one is Mercy say is the papa own. The stomach, the head, and where is Sophia own? They just draw theirself. Anyways, it was fun making this video. Hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to give this video a like, share to your friend. See you in our next video. As of now, we are out. Bye.
Yo.